In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Snapchat. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open your Snapchat just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap this gear icon here at the top. And then what you're going to do is scroll down till you see notifications. Go ahead and click that one. Now in turning off notifications in Snapchat, there are two things that we can do. First things first is if you're going to turn off like some of the things that you don't want to appear or to notify. For example, here Bitmojis in notification, and then trending public content, and then I also want to turn off mentions just like so, and friend suggestions. Okay, there you go. All right, now say for example those are the only things that I don't want, and you can definitely do this method. Go ahead and basically close this one and you are done. However, if you want to turn off all of those notifications there at once, then what you can do is just do it in the settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click the gear icon here, and then I'm going to go ahead and open the apps. Alright, here in the apps, I'm going to go ahead and look for Snapchat. There you go. I'm going to open it. And then here in the notifications, I'm going to click it and just simply disable or toggle this off to basically deny notifications. So yeah, that is how you are going to do it. Again, if you want to do it for everything, just go ahead and do this method. If you want to do it for only some of the features, then you can do the first one. I hope this video helps you out, everybody. Have a good day.